I'm Sharon Bill. If you're working on your ABRSM Grade 1 Music Theory, I have a playlist of 30 videos, the links are in the cards and the description, where I take you step by step through the entire Music Theory and Practice workbook, question by question. Also, if you visit www.sharonbill.com, I have some PDF information sheets which are free. They're available in US letter or A4. These also have links to the videos and they contain all the information that you need to study the Grade 1 Music Theory. My exam technique guidebook is also available. It's available in ebook and paperback on Amazon. Please do like and subscribe to my channel for more music theory and piano tuition videos, and please do share with your musical friends. I hope this playlist is really helpful to your study. Bye!